Want to open an FD from home without visiting the bank? You can do it in just a few seconds through SBI Net Banking. And there is one thing you might notice recently. When you search for SBI Net Banking, YONO SBI now appears for login. Don't worry, your existing net banking user ID and password still work for accessing the service through YONO SBI. So simply enter your user ID and password, enter the captcha, and proceed. If you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset it. And if you have forgotten your user ID, you can retrieve it through the available option.
Once you log in, you'll be taken to the YONO SBI portal. From here, you can access various banking services, including opening an FD. So how do you open an FD? Just scroll down a little. Under Deposits, click on Fixed Deposit, and then select Regular FD. Now enter the amount you want to invest. There's no upper limit for investing, and the minimum deposit generally starts from 1,000 rupees. I'm investing 3,10,000 rupees. Next, select your deposit duration. I'm choosing 1 year and 5 months. The applicable interest rate will be displayed here. In my case, it is showing 6.25%. Next, interest and maturity details. Here, you can choose how you want your interest to be paid. If you want the interest to be credited every month, select monthly. You can choose whichever option suits you. Depending on the options available, you may also select quarterly, half-yearly, yearly, or at maturity. But I want my interest to be paid along with the principal amount at maturity, so I'm selecting at maturity. Now comes another very important option, maturity instruction. If you want both your principal amount and interest to be automatically renewed after maturity, you can select auto renewal. If you want only the principal amount to be renewed and the interest to be paid to your account, you can select renew principal and repay interest. But I want both my principal amount and interest to be credited directly to my savings account after maturity. So I'm selecting credit to account. You can choose whichever option suits your requirement. Here, you can see that my 3,10,000 rupees FD at 6.25% interest will become approximately 3,38,487 rupees at maturity, with the maturity date shown as 9th January 2028. Now click on Proceed. Next, you'll be asked to select or add a nominee. You can add a new nominee if you want, or select an existing nominee. I'm keeping the same nominee details here. Then click Proceed. Now you'll get a chance to review all your FD details. Carefully check the deposit amount, tenure, interest rate, maturity amount, maturity date, nominee details, and other information. If everything is correct, agree to the terms and conditions and proceed. And that's it. Your FD is created. You can view and download your FD details from here, and you'll also receive the confirmation on your registered email ID. So, you don't need to visit the bank or stand in a queue. You can open an FD from the comfort of your home in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tax Clarity for more important tax and financial updates.